Top of it, top of it, top of it. It's your boy Coach One Stack, man. We being at our best, building self-esteem and self through thinking. And I want to let you know something, man. I want to let you fellas know why you can't get the things out of a woman that you desire, why you can't get the woman of your dreams, why even when you was to get the woman of your dream, you can't get her to do everything that your heart desires. Can you dig it? And man, those answers are real simple. We're going to get to number one. A lot of y'all talk way too much. Man, understand, when you meet a woman, guys, man, this woman is listening to everything that you say. She's listening to you. She's listening to your conversation. You know, she's letting you talk, which is a big issue, because here's the thing. Fellas, you're supposed to be having her talk so that you can learn everything you need to learn about her. But what most of you guys do like dummies, you sit back and you want to dominate the conversation, and you talk yourself into a big hole in the ground that you're never going to get out of. Now, when you're talking to this woman and she sees you gossiping about other people's business, she sees you talking about other people's life and the things they do, she sees you laying judgment towards other people, man, that lady, man, might have wanted to give you that cookie right off the rip, but she's looking and listening, and in her mind, she's like, well, damn, if he's talking about their business, she definitely gonna talk about mine. Man, we're gonna get to the next one, guys. Man, you got these pictures floating around nowadays. Now, back in '07, when I had a Nextel phone, I ain't gonna lie to you. When I received my first provocative picture over the phone, man, I was like, whew, bewildered. Can you hear me? I was like, whew. And when I first found out I could send one, I was like, ooh. But that was back in 2007, man. It's 2024. That kind of stuff don't even mean that much to you. If I didn't go there with you already, or I don't plan on going there with you, it really doesn't mean a whole lot. And what a lot of y'all do, man, y'all sit up here with these girls, man. Y'all get these videos and then have the nerve to go show those videos to a whole nother woman. You guys have the nerve to go take them videos and show them to a woman like so she could watch you in action, so to speak. You know, you're like, oh yeah, look at me. Man, that woman don't want to see that. And then if she did think about doing something like that with you, guys, don't you know that just flew out the window, because she knows why she's special. If you're gonna sit up here and show her business to the next person, you know, show somebody else's business to her, you definitely gonna show her business to the next person. Can you dig what I'm saying? So now, that's the second reason why you're never gonna get what you want. Number three, you don't know how to ask for what you want. Now, what you mean, Coach One Stack? I don't know how to ask for what I want. You know, hey man, asking for what you want ain't like getting a bowl of cereal. It's not like asking for what you want from a woman is not like getting a bowl of cereal, saying, ooh, go make me a bowl of cereal. It's a way you ask for the things that you want. It's a way that you present the things that you want. You know, it's a whole lot different, man, when you sit down and tell a woman, ooh, you know, some of y'all men are still telling these women, ooh, I want to F you. Man, you don't tell no woman no stuff like that. Man, you stimulate a woman's mind and you let her know that it will be your pleasure to make sweet love to her or take her mind to a place that it has never been before. Now, when you're saying that, you have just said a whole lot without saying nothing at all. Can you dig what I'm saying? And see, these are reasons why you can't get the things that you want from a woman. Man, next reason, man, your appearance. Guys, your appearance. I tell you all the time, man, a woman is always looking at you. She's checking out your hands. She's checking out your nails. She's checking out your feet. You dig? She's checking out everything that has to do with you from head to toe. She's checking out your haircut. She's checking out your teeth. She's checking out the way you keep yourself groomed. And guys, if your fingernails are all dirty, if they're all black, if they're all yellow, and they look like they're going to give her a hysterectomy, man, that woman is not going to want you touching her body. She ain't going to want you touching her damn scalp as far as she's concerned. She ain't going to want none of that. And then, like I said, this is a reason why you can't get what you want from a woman. Next reason, guys, you have no conversation, man. Conversation rules the nation. And I tell you all the time, when you run out of words, you run out of game. And a lot of y'all conversation is y'all still telling these women about how you want to break her back. You still telling her how you want to get her in the sack and break her back. Guys, a grown woman don't want to hear that mess, man. You got to, first of all, man, understand what's understood never has to be talked about. So if that woman has already taken the time out her day to give you some of her time and give you her conversation, that means she already finds you attractive, dum-dum. So that means if a woman finds you attractive, there could be a point where she might cross that line with you. Now it's about what's going to come out your mouth. Now, when you're having that conversation, your conversation should flow organically. It should flow organically, just like you turning on the water faucet and just never letting that water faucet, turn off. And you should never, ever make the mistake of talking about sex, because the things that you don't talk about are the things that you're going to get. See, man, I'm giving y'all way too much $1 million game, man, so y'all out here looking lame. You dig what I'm saying? And the next reason why you're never going to get what you want, and this is the biggest one, you don't even know what it is you want. What you mean, Coach One Stack? Of course I know what I want. No, you don't. No, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Man, look, I have taught a lot of these ladies that when y'all come at them sideways and y'all get to telling them about the things you want to do to her, I've taught a lot of women to just tell you, well, yeah, you could have that, and then what? And when they ask y'all, then what? A lot of y'all are at a loss for words. You don't know what to do when she says, and then what? Because she done just told you she give you the cookie. Now she's saying, and then what? You don't realize that it's conversation that come with that. It might come with some cuddling after that. It might come with some talking about stocks and bonds after that. It might come with reading a self-help book. See, it's not all about the physical, guys. It's the mental that women are attracted to. Man, when you, especially older women, bro, they're not attracted. Of course, people have to be physically attracted, but man, a woman is more attracted to your mind than she is your body, because your body is going to wither long before your mind do. And when you got a strong mind and you really know what you want and you're really adamant about it and you a go-getter, don't you know, man, that turns a woman on. No different than it used to turn you on back in 2007 when you first realized that you can get a provocative picture of a woman. Now, have I dropped y'all enough game for today, man? I don't know. But hey, guys, it's Coach One Stack tapping in with you. If y'all like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Man, make sure you share this video. Hit that notification button, man, so y'all know when I'm dropping this news you can use. Because, hey, man, oh yeah, and then ladies, bring your friends. This channel's just not for men. I got $1 million game and $1 million mouthpiece for everybody out here in these streets. Can you dig it? It's all about what you do with it. Man, I could bring you, I could take the horse to water, but I can't make you drink it. Just understand that, man. I could give you all the game in the world, and all the game is the ism, the ultimate truth. All I could do is give you that ism and that ultimate truth. It's about you, how you apply it and what you do with it. Now have a beautiful day. Church.